Hello friends, is your car running rough, misfiring, or showing a sudden loss of power? If your check engine light is on and the scanner is showing code P0294, this means there's an issue with the fuel injector circuit for cylinder 12. A malfunctioning fuel injector can cause poor performance, higher fuel consumption, and even long-term engine damage. But don't worry, in this video we'll break down what P0294 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0294 stands for cylinder 12, injector circuit high. This means that the fuel injector in cylinder 12 is receiving higher than normal voltage. When this happens, the injector may spray too much fuel, leading to engine misfires, poor mileage, and excessive emissions. If left untreated, it could damage your catalytic converter and other engine components. Common symptoms of P0294: check engine light on, engine misfires and rough idling, poor acceleration and power loss, increased fuel consumption, black smoke from the exhaust, and difficult starting or stalling engine. If you're noticing any of these issues, it's time for a thorough diagnosis and fix. To properly diagnose P0294, you need to check these key components. Cylinder 12, fuel injector, located near the intake manifold or cylinder head, connected to the fuel rail. Fuel rail pressure sensor, mounted on the fuel rail, responsible for monitoring fuel pressure. Injector wiring harness, runs along the engine bay, connecting the injectors to the ECU. Engine control unit, found in the engine bay, or under the dashboard, controlling injector voltage. Fuel pressure regulator, positioned on the fuel rail or inside the fuel tank, ensuring correct fuel pressure. A problem in any of these components can trigger P0294. Common causes of P0294: faulty fuel injector. A stuck-open injector may spray too much fuel into the cylinder. Damaged wiring or connectors, short circuits, corrosion, or broken wires can cause excessive voltage. Malfunctioning fuel pressure sensor. Incorrect pressure readings can lead to improper fuel injection. ECU failure. A faulty ECU may send incorrect voltage to the injector. Fuel system issues. A bad fuel pump or pressure regulator can cause excess fuel delivery. Alright, let's dive into the steps to fix the P0294 code. Step 1. Inspect and replace the cylinder 12 fuel injector if it's faulty. Next, step 2. Check the fuel rail pressure sensor and replace it if necessary. Moving on to step 3, examine the injector wiring harness for any damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Now, step 4, test the fuel pressure regulator to ensure it's functioning correctly. After that, step 5, scan and reset the ECU after making repairs. And finally, step 6, if the issue persists, consider reprogramming or replacing the ECU. P0294 is a fuel injector circuit issue that can seriously impact your car's performance and fuel efficiency. Addressing it early will help you avoid expensive repairs and engine damage. Want to learn more about fuel injector circuit issues? Watch these next videos: P0263, Cylinder 1 Contribution Balance Fault, and P0264, Cylinder 2 Injector Circuit Low. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.